unboxing this one. So this is not gonna be Apple. It should be soft and has batteries. Okay, let's see. Wow! This is the version 2 Blackpink light stick. Yay! This is called the silicone. Okay. Let's do the next one. This is the stand. This is the stand here. Okay. On the bottom, it says Blackpink. That's cool, right? This is the bottom says Blackpink. Okay. And there's the Blackpink heart. Okay. So let's do the review. Okay. Guys, look. Barely even actually stand this one. Okay, guys, let's review it. Every time I just one. Okay, guys, let's go. Guys, so this is the collection. So I'm just gonna be unboxing for well. Every time let's do the teaching video of the Blackpink light stick. So guys, this is the silicone, and there's the Blackpink sign here. You can also need to not stand it. It will fall. So it's actually kinda every time. So it kind of looks like version 2 because it's called the silicone. So this is the switch. Okay, hear it, guys. Okay, hear it. It's cool, right? Okay. Okay, let's do for the stand. So guys, this is the stand, and the stand is like this. It has a Blackpink heart here, and there's this one for the light stick. So everything it says Blackpink again, and the bottom it says Blackpink. It's so fuzzy. Yeah, it's so fuzzy, right? Always the stand is like this. Okay, so guys, every time I just want to be the bloopers time. Okay. You can fall. Okay, just do it. Oh my gosh. The Blackpink light stick. Okay. The stand. Okay, it's not pausing. I can never get it. Get it? Okay, so guys, I'm gonna clean up. Bye bye. Okay, so bye guys. Okay, guys, bye.
Ano mo isin ng ano mo?
Ito nandito, naka kay RN. Aray! Bye bye!